Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Weebly site. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add the new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find in the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in the Weebly editor. I'm in the Weebly editor. I'll show you where to paste your code. On the top menu, move to the right and go to Settings. On the resulting page, go to the left menu and select SEO. Scroll down a bit to the footer code text field. Paste your unique code inside. Then go to the page footer and click on the Save button all the way at the bottom right. You're all set. Now go ahead and preview your Weebly site to make sure your UserWay widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.